Hey loves, in today's video, I am reviewing the Your Sugar Pumpkin Maple Leaf 6 Gel Polish Collection. I used 4 of the collection's beautiful colors to create this super easy fall leaf inspired nail art. I purchased the Your Sugar 6-piece Pumpkin Maple Leaf Fall Color Gel Polish set on Amazon for $16.99 with free shipping with Amazon Prime. I am applying the shade 623 to my index nail. I noticed that with these polishes, they were thinner than other Your Sugar gels I've tried in the past, so I ended up having to apply 3 layers of each color, curing for 30 seconds in between each one. Another thing that I noticed is that these had a really strong chemical smell. Now I am applying a layer of my Model 1's No Wipe top coat and curing for 30 seconds. On my index, middle, and ring finger nails, I will be applying these cute fall leaf decals from Amazon. It's finally time for bling. To adhere my crystals, I'm going to use my Gadget's Entrepot UV LED Rhinestone Gel. I am going over that gel with my Model 1's No Wipe top coat. And the crystals that I am using are the Swarovski Silk crystals. After placing my crystals where I want them, I will then cure my nails for 2 minutes. After completing my nails, I refreshed my cuticles with the NCLA So Rich Pumpkin Spice Scented Cuticle Oil. I love how these nails came out. I really like how the leaf decals look on the different color nails, and that shade of brown is beautiful. I don't own anything like it. I definitely love this Your Sugar Pumpkin Maple Leaf Gel Polish set. There will be a link along with all of the other products that I used down below in the description. Drop a comment down below telling me what you think of my nails, and until next time, bye loves!